Hey there, lab enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of titration by installing the Fischer Titraor. If you're ready to take your chemical analysis to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's see what comes in the box. Here we have the main unit, the titration vessel, electrodes, reagent bottles, tubing, and the user manual. Make sure all these parts are included before we start the installation. Step 1. Find a stable and flat surface to place your Karl Fischer Titraor. It's important that the unit remains level during operation to ensure accurate results. Next, let's attach the titration vessel. Ensure it's securely fitted to avoid any leaks during titration. Now, we'll connect the electrodes. Carefully insert them into their respective ports. The manual provides a detailed guide on which electrode goes where. For the reagents, attach the tubing to the reagent bottles and then to the unit. Make sure the connections are tight. It's crucial to avoid any air bubbles in the lines, as this can affect the titration accuracy. Before we run an actual sample, it's a good idea to do a test run with a standard solution. This helps ensure everything is working correctly. provide precise and reliable titration results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more lab equipment tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Happy titrating!